Guess it's that time of day again. Time for me to make video games. But before we do that, I wanted to show off what I was working on the day before yesterday. I stayed up till like 4 in the morning because somebody posted some C# and was like, whoa, look at how epic my C# is. Look at how fast this is. Hang on, we need this in APL. So I was like, well, this looks like just verbose APL. So I learned how to use APL. I downloaded Dialog APL. And I learned about their object-oriented system. There's like a 500-page manual that I skimmed through, specifically on objects. And so I now have a working example of this line of code replicated here, which I'm sure all of you know your APL. You know, it's the unique set of this is basically the argument to the function plus one, like there's an implicit argument. Indexing for each of these, because it's an array of arrays, clearly, of this list of controlled, so it's basically controlled prov.select many edges, where the edges are this littoral, which just means by the ocean. Then you select the left tile capital if it's clockwise or the right tile capital, and then you clearly distinct it to list it. And so that's just what this does. And honestly, it's a lot of fun it was a lot of fun to learn this. And I kind of, oh yeah, I forgot. Because this editor uses control codes. Or, like, you can press, like, control, like, so this is control S. Control V is this one. But what I actually need to do is shift insert. And so that defines all of my things. And then I can do get post C capitals. So 1 for true. Actually, I bet we could do 1 and 0. Oh, we can't. I know what we can do. Get post C capitals. I need to switch my keyboard to APL mode. What is it set up to? Like, Shift Alt that? No. Ah, there it is. Okay. Okay, so now I've done it for both true, so these two. I guess I haven't done it. Hang on. Oh, wait, no. It's not that. It's this. I was mistaking it for the other map. So yeah, this one gets the right and the left, because we're mapping it over both the clockwise and counterclockwise variables. And I also, for maximum readability, there is, of course, a long version of the function. Which is, well, this should probably be the same as here. But basically, it was just fun. I like APL. I kind of want to do something bigger with it. But my first idea, which is downright insane, is to make a Doom port in it. Just to see, because APL is it's highly array-based, so you would think there could be some performance optimizations, but it's also interpreted and it's designed specifically for, like, doing things typically line by line, so it's like the latency of startup is much more important for that than, like, the actual running. So I don't know, it'd probably be significantly slower than a typical Doom, but it's Doom, so it'd still run at, like, I could still get it to respectable frame rates. But that would be fun, and I was thinking about that, as like, what if instead of doing, like, arbitrary benchmarks, you had to port Doom, or, like, the #1 benchmark for a programming language was how fast it runs Doom. And people just ported Doom to every programming language they could. Admittedly, most of it would be graphics overhead, even nowadays, but... I mean, if you wanted to be really thorough with it, you could specify that it has to also be a software renderer. Because, I mean, software renderers are more viable than people think. Because, like, I mean, hell, there was something I saw a video of someone playing Crysis on a Threadripper CPU in software mode, because for some reason Crysis has a software rendering mode. Because they were designing it for computers like 25 years in the future, because it still ran like complete dog shit today on like the highest end multi-threaded CPUs. Because it's, Crysis, but Doom would run just fine. I mean, it ran just fine on software mode back in the 90s. But that'd also be a lot of work. But that's one of those projects that I'm probably not going to do. I got too many other projects. Speaking of projects, let's actually get into the thing that I'm doing today. Oh, right, it's on the other monitor. Let's get my bingo out. So we need this. So we'll shuffle that. What should I do? So I didn't start 20 minutes late. I was pretty close. But okay. Options, display, not full screen. There we go. Right, and I was doing some playtesting. Because I actually did do work off stream today. Or yesterday, whatever day it was. A full-on... almost 3 hours, so not actually that much work. But okay. What I need to do is I have some fixes from there. So the casual dialogue should only happen once per... So this is for Riley's quest, because that's actually... Did I playtest it yesterday? I guess I did... Sort of? Yeah, let's just do this. So basically, when we go to Riley, there's this casual dialogue, or common dialogue. Which I think... Yeah, okay. So this is all of our phase stuff. So let's look for where casual dialogue or common dialogue is used. Because I think what I want to do is mark those specifically. Okay. From top to bottom. Why is this one all weird? Let's do otherwise here. I guess should we do... So this has the same thing. Let's just go to phase Donut County. I should have... Oh wait, no, it's called Mosquito County now. So that way I can remove some of that. So let's see how this all works. Not global stats. Or let's do like talked equals 0. You notice a distressed woman. Oh wait. Is everything alright? let's just have some stuff here. So like, they should be around here somewhere. And otherwise, oh, Riley, it's odd to see you out here. Let's just say hello again. And this will be like not global task exists. Well, what do I want? I guess I do want this, not... Oh wait, I need my chat. There we go. So my plan is right now to... I guess, do I need to do this stuff? I guess I should. I should structure all of this properly. So I want this quest to also be a little bit fleshed out. So we are in... I should get my mind in the setting and like the plot that I'm that I want to at least imply with the dialogue for now. So Riley's sitting out here. Eventually it's going to be a little town. She's going to be wandering around. Should be around here somewhere. Let's do, like... Otherwise, ruins. So let's see, casual intro. Let's just have this. Oh wait, I guess... Yeah, that's fine for now. Okay. You notice a distressed-looking woman. Is everything all right? Should be around here somewhere. What are you looking for? And then she'll go... Wait, she should be saying something here. She... talking to herself in Yakazi. You investigating here? I was... You seem distressed. I'm not exactly distressed. Okay. Yeah, people in this town are weird. Let's say, like, I've tried figuring out I've been here before. But I didn't have any luck last time either. I actually bought this hat last time I was here. I don't think she'd say that. Let's just say I didn't have any luck the last time. Let's say could use some help, and let's just have this. So it's like, so I've been here before, but I didn't have any luck finding out, or then people out here are weird. I think. See, because we got the cities right next to us. But for some reason, but they act like they're living in like a little isolated village or something. You know, I'm gonna call it... No, I think Mosquito County is funnier. I was gonna say I should probably rename it to Mosquito Basin, because it's not a county, it's a basin. Like Bralna is more of a province, and it's a county. Maybe I'll have that just in here somewhere. So like, where is that? So that'd be major quests. The tree tower, levels, hover scooter. So explain why it's called county, or rename to basin. Musquato. See, eventually I should add a dark mode for that. Oh well. Okay. Let's have, like... How should I do this? So how do I do it here? What leads you blah? I guess we can do stat plus stat that, or I know. We'll do that. Note the mosquito basin or whatever it is. And also that means that I can do Riley, so like notes. Let's do like phone. Okay, so if we have help 113, capacitor 114. Okay, I see what I did. Riley ruins 061. So we can abolish the notes for the map. Okay, that's exactly what I need. Global abolish notes Riley Ruins 113 or 061. Then we go to Mosquito County. Because then we'll have it marked on our map in a different way. So let's do note Riley / Mosquito County. Let's just call it county. Riley's having trouble or trying to find some local ruins, but the locals aren't being helpful. 3-tower quest. Is that what I call it still? Yeah. 3-tower quest. Mosquito County. And we'll also have, like, not stats. Riley County. Otherwise, I guess basically all of this would be in here. Because this should only be true if all of this is true. And then we can say, do you help me? Or let's do like not main speaker. Brain is current follower. Okay, could you help me figure out the ruins in town? Back, and then let's say, would you be able to help me out? Maybe ask around a bit? Sure, I can help. Sorry, I have other things I need to do at the moment. And then we'll have otherwise here. Exit. Or let's do like set next phase. Go county. Go to phase. County. Okay. Because otherwise, if this is true, and we still have, and Jackie is not, if Jackie isn't our current follower, so we've already explained to her, or she's already explained to us the situation, but she isn't following us around, she'll ask us. Otherwise, she has, and she's following us, so presumably, it's some issue is causing us to be in here. So then we can go to Mosquito County 1. Great. Okay, and then we'll do exit plus main speaker brain dot set as current follower. I think that's what I need. Oh, I don't think I actually need to do that there. We can just do main speaker brain set. Okay. So I'll just do main speaker brain set as follower. Also, I got a text message, I think. Let's see if that was important. Oh, yeah. Let's see, good luck. There we go. Okay. And then we'll do next phase, mosquito county. Alright, now other things I need to do at the moment. Well, I'll be here. Okay. So let's see if I can then summarize the rest of this stuff, or figure out... Oh wait, no. We should also have, Did you help me figure out where the ruins are in town? So let's just have, like... Where do I do this? Oh, we have go to capacitor found. Wait, why is this... Oh, okay, I see. Stat capacitor 113. Not that. Wait, hang on. Did you remove the capacitor? Okay, yeah. So not stat Riley / Donut County. Stats Riley / 061. Oh wait, no. Capacitor. Let's just say, and then yes, go to capacitor found. Oh wait, no, capacitor found isn't really for this. But let's set phase Mosquito County completed. Okay, what exactly am I looking for here? I guess, so when we first walk up to her, all of this should play. So let's say, yeah, so this should play by default. Once we've actually talked to her, it'll do this. So this should be, you know, just a stressed-looking woman, because we haven't met her before. Otherwise, hello again. She's talking to herself in Yakazi. Let's just, actually, we don't need this. We can just have this. And then if we don't have the task by investigating out here, so that's good. So is something matter? Where are you? And let's say talked greater than 0. Wait, or let's say this will still be the first time. Otherwise, this, your name is Jackie. Right. I'm Riley. Okay. And then we have the casual intro describing the capacitor, so that's taken care of for now, like as a placeholder. And then if we actually have that, then it's like, is that what this capacitor is all about? And then let's have like otherwise not stats capacitor 061. And then otherwise capacitor around here, if that's what you were looking for. Go to capacitor found, I think? Or is it found capacitor? I keep forgetting. Okay, yeah. Oh wait, and let's also have, so we need next phase. Oh wait, no, set phase. Set phase Mosquito County completed. And then we can have completed. We should get out of here. Don't call it Mosquito County for nothing. Okay. Oh wait. Dismiss. Oh wait, we already have that. Okay. And let's just have, like, what do you mean exactly? No electricity. No electricity, no phones. It's the way they talk, not to mention there's no electricity, no phones, no hot chip. Just... Hmm. Okay, so the player can get that investigation, or that going. Because, yeah, I've talked about it before, but I want to make sure that the main dialogue is all, like, very short and to the point. And then I can have all of these little optional branches that the player can go down. So that way the player doesn't feel like they're just mashing A through a bunch of dialogue that they don't really care about. So I'll also have to do that with, like, the big story beats that are in the game. Because a lot of them are basically, like, an NPC regaling you a story about Jackie's mom. So it should be that they give you the, like, that you just get the summary, but then you can ask in more detail and get all the little bits. But okay. Okay, so let's have the phase 1 actually. So not stat capacitor, that. Not global stat. Oh wait, why is this like this? That's weird. I have an entire thing for this, like stat. That. Oh wait, and actually this shouldn't even, this doesn't need to be here anymore. So found the capacitor, go to capacitor found. Otherwise not Riley / endgame. Is this correct? Let's flip this around. Because this is now going to be like the exceptional circumstance. Go to capacitor found. Or no, this should just, yeah, go to. And then like, where's our climber's choice? Or like, choice. Ah, help choice. Oh wait, no, that's a different thing. Let's do this as capacitor help. Or no, speedo help. Let's do like otherwise, not main speaker, brain is current follower. Subtopic. Hey again, could you how about with this county again, I guess? Let's see. Oh yeah, the music died. Is that on the bingo card? I guess I can just roll for it. Should be one of these short ones. Where is it? The music dies. There we go. Okay. So could you help me out a bit with the use your hands out here again? I don't know what I'm missing. Or I could still use your help out here. And then... Oh wait, no. So this should now not do that, unless... Let's just set... Well... What should we do? Ah, I have a good idea. Just have this automatically do that when we do all of this stuff. Because then we don't need this. So main speaker not bring as follower. Because we should theoretically never need this. So yeah, not stat rally / county. Well, I'll keep all this. But yeah, every time it'll automatically do that. Oh wait, but that means that this actually needs to be up here. So then the next time you speak to her, it'll go to the next phase. Okay. And I guess for now... No, I guess this will be okay. What are we looking for exactly? Let's get looking, I guess. And then we can have, I don't know. Let's have that. Let's have this as well. Oh wait, no. We don't need this here. We need that in... Well... Let's just have this here still. Subtopic... or no. Go to... phase. Common dialogues. Where is that actually? I see, okay. So let's do like next phase, Godot, County. Yeah, and then go to phase, common dialogue. And we'll also have this stuff here. Oh wait, no. This shouldn't just set that to found. This should set the phase completed. And then we can do this stuff. And then let's do Mosquito County 3. All this stuff again. That capacitor should be around here somewhere. Back. Or I guess this is right now exit. And just for my own security, I'll keep that there. To do advance the plot. And then, like, I don't know. Next phase, Mosquito County. Admittedly, I could just have this be like a common check. Topic MC check. Because this is straight up identical for all of these. There we go. So this should now work as I imagine it, which is that we talk to her, and then we can have like the personal discussion, and then we have the what have you. Because all of this was basically to, one, add a little bit more character, or add a little bit more like content to that Mosquito County area. And then the other was to make sure that I can have some story-based dialogue that doesn't re-trigger multiple times. And I should probably also have it... You know what I'll do? Probably differently than that, even. If I have this MC check here... Oh, wait. This does exactly the same thing. I'm thinking what I could also do is instead of having that, I could have it, run this... Well, somewhere better. Like, let's go to City Ruins 1. So we have go to phase common dialogue. And let's do, like, not, main... Well... Main speaker within that. Let's do, like, not... Stats. Riley slash... City slash... Feelings. Otherwise... Plus stat... Riley, City... Feelings... And actually, we should have this. So I actually do need this now. Oh, I know. Maybe... Oh, for now, let's just do plus stat, Riley City Feelings, and we'll just do it up here. And so yeah, instead of having all this stuff, What else do we have here, though? Main speaker within tower 113. So why do we do this twice? So if we don't have the stat open... hang on. Let's do, like, stats. Riley, tower 113, feelings. This will be not stat, plus stat. Riley, tower 113, feelings. Otherwise, for now it'll just be we're in. And we'll do the same thing with this one. Otherwise... So this is when the controls are open. Alright. Let's try to climb, or I have a good idea. We should have this be not main speaker within tower 113 interior. Otherwise, all of that is good. Then we have all this stuff. So if she hasn't kicked down the door yet, we'll do that. Otherwise, if the door is open, we'll either do the common dialogue or she'll just say... Actually, let's just say... Well, the floaters are up there. Our best bet... I think we can climb them. And then otherwise, once we're in, we do that. Let's look for that capacitor. So this could all be in a different phase. And I should probably have at some point like the ability to set a minimum phase for a different thing, like depending on an event. So that way, like, you know, you're automatically set to a phase when you do certain actions. But that'll be fine for now. So I think this one now will do what I want. Which is you only talk about your feelings once. And then we'll do the same thing for all of the other ones. So we got the mosquito one, we got the city ruins. Desert ruins, maybe? Yeah, because this one's also, like, very not finished. One of the least fleshed out ones. But let's say, like, not stat Riley slash desert slash feelings plus stat Riley desert feelings. Go to phase and then otherwise I guess this one's actually fine like this for now. Okay, that's A-okay. In fact, let's save and quit. Let's speed run now. So I gotta reload all that dialogue. And someday, I'll have it... Well, yeah, another thing that I'd like to do. One of my many projects. In fact, are future projects on the bingo? Yeah, it is. I see it. But I gotta... Yeah. Is I would like to make this dialogue system much more robust. Because I'd like it to be like a tool that other people can use. And one of the things I'd love is, well, like live reloading, but also like debugging or like line by line debugging and things like that. And then, yeah, all sorts of things that I could add to it. But okay, let's teleport off to 113. So we'll just see if this all works the way that I want it to. Okay. Hey, blah blah blah. I'm sorry. You're a Veiler? I'm stuck up here because of those death gnats. If you could get rid of them, I'd really appreciate it. I'll see what I can do. Thank you. Do you need my pistol? I suppose I would. She hands you an old handgun. I was never good with it anyway. I don't like hands you a handgun. She gives you an old handgun. I need a unique, like, sound specifically for hitting any enemy. Because, like, gunshots have the impact sound, but hitting the enemies otherwise doesn't. Well, it kind of does. But it can have a louder noise. Okay. Thank you for the help. Oh, it was no trouble. You can keep that pistol, by the way. You seem to know how to use it better than I do. So what are you doing out here? Are you some kind of hunter? Oh no, nothing of the sort. I'm just exploring. What about you? I've been looking for capacitors. You've seen the tower with the giant tree. Of course, it dominates the horizon. The Serdi called it the bridge. I want to get inside. Who are the Serdi? They were a group that used to live out here, mostly around the bridge in Sharad. I found an entrance at the base of the tree that punches through the tower's outer wall, but it only got me into some kind of electrical closet, and I couldn't get any further. Yeah, I'd say, well, I think go any further is fine. But there were 6 slots for capacitors. I think if I got a bunch and plugged them in, it would open up. I've seen it work with other ruins. What happened to them? Well, the fighting during the war is at its worst, or was at its worst around the bridge. It got bad. It got so bad most of them left. Once the Emirate took over, they closed access to the city. That's quite intriguing. So you think there's one inside the tower? Yeah, I spotted a path up to it, but, well, I'm a little in over my head, I guess. I don't know how to start it. Or I don't know how smart it is to go alone. Well, what if I helped you? I could get inside that tower and find the capacitor for you. I think not for her, but with her. With you. I could find the... I could look for this capacitor with you. You would? It's pretty dangerous, and I can't really pay you or anything. Oh, money's no concern. I've been intrigued by these structures since I got here. Perhaps sooner or later I would have ventured in anyway. Really? Alright. So there's a seam in the tiles that leads to what looks like a hole in the wall. I can push up some of these floaters up and get you up to it, and I'll follow you in. Do you want to try? Yes, let's climb now. Thank you. I think we'll make a great team. I'll go push the floaters up so you can climb in. Well, the floaters are up. I think we can climb them. I'm curious, why are you out here? We've talked about... Oh, wait, no. I switched the order of these, by the way. So, why are you out here? I'm doing this. Just tourism? Yeah, let's say that for now. Okay, Riley discusses her motivations. She talks about how she feels constrained by the emirate and her family, and she wants to be famous and capable. And then if we talk again, well, the floaters are up there. I think we can climb them. Okay. Because the feelings have been felt. So we no longer need to talk with her about that. Oh wait, the player might not understand that they are opened and closed by shooting. Actually, I have a good idea. Floaters. Okay, so I mentioned, well, the floaters are up there. I think we can climb them. If they close again, you can, like, kick them or shoot them. And so this way, the player has a much easier time of it. Hopefully. Yeah, they'll have to figure out... I'll need to make these cracks a bit more generous. Yeah, I think... having these up here... there she is. We're in. Let's look for that capacitor. Okay. Well, I've found the capacitor now. You can hold on to it if you want. Once we've got 6, we can make our way up to the tree and see what's inside. Where are you going next? I guess anywhere there's ancient ruins. Most of them are hard enough to get inside. There's bound to be a capacitor somewhere. Oh, okay, I see. Well, they're hard enough to get into that there's bound to be a capacitor somewhere inside. I bet we'll bump into each other again sooner or later. Yeah, that line's a little awkward, but that's okay. Gotta wordsmith it a bit more. Right now we're in the game smithing section. Yeah, so this whole actually, this thing has beaten me. But yeah, this whole thing's just placeholder so that I can actually get out of here. Because I want the game to be completable vanilla without cheating, but I don't really need it to be viable to do so. Or I guess I don't need it to be content yet. Oh yeah, also, big change that I decided on yesterday. I'm probably going to add a fast travel system. And it's basically going to be, instead of finding places and then traveling to each one of them, there'll be like 4 or 5 bus stations that you can just go to at any time in the game. Oh wait, hang on. The dialogue says to climb them at the end. Shouldn't it be more like to climb to them or something? Oh right, good point. I think we can use... So, it should be more like, I think we can use them to help climb up the side of the tower. Because basically they're going to be footholds. Oh yeah, welcome back to the stream, by the way. But yeah, instead of traveling to each place, there's going to be like a few key places where you can fast travel to. So like maybe here, 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 and here. And then everything else, well, yeah. And then everything else you can travel to on foot. Because it sort of fits into my design ethos of like, you can get to the main points pretty quickly, but then all the detail you have to get to yourself. So like there'll be plenty of stuff between the points, and the player will be tempted to just go, or the only reason the player has to walk from point A to point B is because they want to see the line of stuff in between them. I don't need to make them feel compelled to do it every time. And that'll be soon. So let's teleport to 141. And I should probably think a bit more about what these quests are going to be. But I do have more, like, end games. Or I do have other stuff I need to do first. But okay, holy fuck. Get me out of here. Sure. Thank God. Yeah, that'd be a common way of doing it. But I think I'm interested in the idea of the player just getting a whole bunch of choices at the start and then not really knowing the significance of them. So, like, they can just take the bus to anywhere and not even, like, understand why they would go there. Because at least to me, that feels... it feels interesting. And plus, I can't shake the logical inconsistency of, like, why would a bus require you to have traveled someplace? Or, like, a taxi or whoever? Maybe what I'll do, though, is require it so that you have to use a note to specify the place that you want to go to, so that way you have to have at least heard of it before. Yeah, because I think it would almost make the game sort of, like, structured as hub world, or, like, little hubs that you can go to, and then, like, you would just walk this if you just really want to walk this. And that would open it up so that I don't have to feel compelled to make each of these areas, or to make, like, all of the areas interesting to a uniform level. Because I can just not have I can just not put content here. Oh wait, no. I'm supposed to talk to her. Okay, keep your eyes peeled for a capacitor. We'll route you out here anyway. Yeah, let's do that. I don't like any time the frame rate dips. It makes me sad. Oh wait, I was supposed to tell Riley's. Okay. Keep your eyes peeled for a capacitor, like this one. Hey, do you want my phone number? If we're just gonna be out here finding capacitors, we can just text each other if we find anything. Text? Do you, have a phone? No, my room didn't come with one. Okay. I'll give you my number anyway, and you can call me if you ever need anything. Thank you, this could be useful. Okay, so now we're in the back half of her quest, so we should be able to teleport to 61. Hello again. She was talking to herself in Yakazi. Are you investigating out here? Oh, hi, Jackie. I didn't see you there. I've been here before, but I didn't have any luck then. People out here are weird. We got the cities right next to us, but they act like they haven't set foot outside this basin in 100 years. What do you mean exactly? I don't know. It's just the way they talk, not to mention there's no electricity, no phones, and just... They're all kind of suspicious of me, I think. They don't seem used to outsiders. Would you be able to help me out, maybe ask around a bit? Sure, I can help. Great. And then we can talk again. I hate this donut county. What were we looking for exactly? To do, advance the plot. And then, shouldn't we do this? Oh yeah, Jackie and Riley talk more in detail about their family life. Because Jackie's mom left, she's sort of a black mark on the family, especially to her grandparents. Her stepmother is nice, but clearly has stronger feelings for her son and Jackie's half-brother, Lucas. Riley talks about her sister being a more successful... What? I wrote that like a crazy person. Being a more successful version of herself. I wrote that like I had an undiagnosed mental illness. No offense to people who have never spoken to a psychiatrist. But okay, let's see if I can even climb up here, Vanilla. Because right now, this is another one, very brilliantly, it's just up here. Found the capacitor. I assume you're going out for more capacitors then? Yeah, I think so. 13. Hey again, Jackie. Hello, Riley. What brings you to the city? I've heard there are ruins under the city that could have a capacitor. I'm trying to find a way in. What leads you to think there are ruins nearby? Do you need any help looking? Yes, please. Again, this one. Oh, there's no dialogue. I broke her. So go to phase City Ruins. Next phase City Ruins. So if we have the capacitor, we'd do that. If she is not the current follower, we do that. If we are at Crab Hill, if we don't have this stat, Riley City Feelings, why do we not have that? Global stat, Riley City Feelings. Go to phase common dialogue. Is this right? Hang on, let's do like gamer. Okay, let's save here. And also, eventually I should just make save and quit, save your current position. Well, yeah, I guess I should do that. Okay, so now she at least says that. But now I should do global remove stats, Riley City Feelings. Because we should not have had that. Yeah, because it should just be those two. Okay, so if we do this again, to do Riley invites Jackie to her family's wedding. Nice. Okay, so I think there must have just been something weird with how that was set up. Or like maybe I just skipped the dialogue too fast. Actually, I guess I can double check. So, do we have like common dialogue anywhere else around here? No, it should be we do this one. And then we do this one. Okay. We'll take that. And we'll let Riley sort her business out. Because sometimes, I think I need to just have all of the NPCs have like a proper ground system. So I should probably refactor that out. Okay, I found the capacitor. Back to it then. I'm not so sure. I've been looking around and I haven't seen any other ruins where you'd be able to pull out a capacitor. Really, I'm sure I've seen more. There's a few places, but I've heard they've either been picked clean or are so dangerous we'd just not be able to get in. Any other capacitors, or the only other capacitors I know about, are in Mazlakir at the Foundry and the Medium in Vishar. I'm certainly not deactivating the Medium, but perhaps I can ask him at Mazlakir. I'd be surprised if he changed his mind. If you find anything, let me know. I really hope we can finally open it up. Okay. And then we can just do teleport to 28. We'll hang out at the city for a bit. Okay, so Riley is in one of these. Okay, Riley has a bunch of feelings about the wedding, blah blah blah. I've talked about that before. And then, let's just do... I mean, I guess I did what I set out to do. So that is, what is it? Where is it? There should be a way up for the phone. Maybe here? Once? Okay. Okay, but there should be a way to make up for it, like, by phone. Right, so I should also figure out how to make sure that the player can still advance all of this stuff, even if they didn't actually talk to Riley. Let's say... common dialogue, like, 0. Here, or so why are you looking for these capacitors? So I think what I can do... phone. Let's do like otherwise global stats Riley slash common dialogue is less than global stat. So this will be tricky. Where's my count? Or found, okay. Okay. Go to phase, common, dialogue. And then anything else on your mind? Okay. So now it should work if Jackie calls Riley on the phone, that they can do that multiple times and it'll like advance stuff. Do I want to... I should bother testing this. I'll just double speed run the quests by just getting all of the capacitors before Riley even needs them. Or before Riley even asks for them. Okay. So we need to now do a new game. Teleport 13, no clip. Oh yeah, the nice thing is now I don't actually need to un-no clip to talk to characters, because I used to need that. Oh wait, no. Let's go to, like, can interact or something? Or, like, can talk? Okay, state.current equals state.ground, or... We're gonna need a lot of this. Or state is crouch, waiting, sitting, or state.current equals state.no clip. Just for my own sanity. Use interactable. So if can talk and state.current not equals state.crouch. Okay. Block dialogue, return false. Okay. That should be good. So ground and dialogue ready and... Oh, I see. Let's just not have that. Though, let's have, like, sitting and ground. Okay, so now we can do all that again, accept the challenge, and then global, get tree, call, group, enemy, kill. Thank you for your help. Then we get a billion things. Oh, wait. What? Oh. I completely skipped the dialogue. Well, I'll figure that out later, because it didn't seem like she actually did anything. But okay. We'll meet each other again sooner or later. Yeah, let's say that's fine for now. Okay. Teleport to 61. Oh wait, no clip still. I forgot. I still don't need to un-no clip. Hello again. She's talking to herself and Yukazi. I found a capacitor around here if that's what you're looking for. Really? Hey, do you want my phone number? Okay, so that seems good. Oh, I see. It's not that I un-no clipped, it's that talking to characters un-no clips you because it puts you back in the walking state. That makes sense. She's gone. I think that should not be immediate, actually. So let's go back to Chunk 13. Capacitor not found. So this will not listen for change. Because I don't think any of the other ones do. Yeah. Because it was not correct. Okay. Boom. Got that. Let's talk to Riley, wherever she is. Is she gone too? Did she automatically get the bullet? Because it's simply not correct. And let's just get item cell phone. Use a note. We're going to use Riley. Would you like to call Riley? Yes. Okay, so she says that. Save me. Oh, Jackie, I didn't recognize the number. Right, I don't think I told you my number. I'm curious, why are you looking for these capacitors? Oh, right. It goes to phase. So yeah, I still eventually need a subtopic thing. Yeah, let's use a note again for Riley again. I would like to call Riley. Hello again, Riley. So why are you here? Just tourism? I wanted to visit the medium in Vishar. Said to see someone specific. Okay, and all that stuff. And then we can use it again. Riley. I would like to call her. Hi again. Riley talk in more detail. Okay. Let's do use a note. Riley. And I would like to do that. Again, Riley. Riley invites Jackie to her family's wedding. And also a minor bit of wordsmithing there would be to make sure that, because previously all of that dialogue was written from the assumption that Riley's getting these calls from unknown payphones, but now that Jackie can get a cell phone, I have to also account for that because Riley will recognize the number at some point. But okay, so now that works. The player can make up for lost time by just calling her over and over on the phone, just like in real life. Introduce other writing about Jackie's life, implement the functional deadline stuff, cool and epic. That's dumb. I don't want that. Once you get the last two capacitors, you should have a note to call or find Riley. I don't care that much. A main menu could be fun. Because I also need that for the dream, where I need some of this stuff for the dream, where like the game is partially paused, because I want the entire world to stop moving except for Jackie. And the medium, of course, but we're gonna do... Yeah, let's start on that. We're gonna need player, or no, yeah, UI. So this is now going to be a dramatic departure because we need a new thing. So we're gonna have gaming, main menu. And we're going to start from... Yeah, okay, so we already start from mode gaming. So we're going to start from mode UI, or mode main menu. I guess this will be an aspect controller. And it'll have the same script as these ones. Main menu. Wait, also, what is the font that I installed recently? It's called something like Sticks. That could be good. I'll look that up. Because it should be somewhere in my files still. Software. Here. Is it in downloads? I have PDFs of it. Because it has some nice looking characters in it. It's sort of a compatible thing with Times New Roman. I'm just gonna get Sticks again. So it's called Sticks to Text. So what's the license on this bad boy? The open font license. Print, commercial, or otherwise. Let's get this font. Download it. Okay. So now I should be able to get these fonts in here. Don't I have fonts otherwise here? Yeah, I do, okay. New folder, Sticks. So I think I want the... Because this is mostly designed for, like, math. So some of them have, like, really weird line weights, if I remember right. Yeah, because there's, like, the variable fonts. I don't know the difference between the variable fonts and, like, so this is... This was the variable font for normal, maybe? Yeah, like, they don't seem... Well, this one seems... No, they don't seem substantially different, but I think I'll just go with the regular ones. Or the regular one, bold, italic. Let's just go with these four. So this is now this. Jak 4 in here somewhere. Projects, fonts. Oh, UI. Fonts, and then Sticks. Because I might also move to this font for some of the UI. Maybe. Okay, so this will have a label. Oh wait, I know what I need. I need another control in here. So this will expand automatically. And then we can have this in here. Then it'll be top wide with a little bit of space here on the sides. And then like, what are the margins here? 20, 20, negative 20? Theme overrides, fonts. So I want something. Let's do new dynamic fonts with Sticks bold. at the ends of eras. Maybe I should do, I mean, if I'm doing just fonts that I like, I remember Old Standard TT is one that I really like. Because that's what I use for the actual dialogue editor. And I think all of the game's promotional material has switched to Old Standard. Let's see what this would look like, though, with 48. Let's do like 64. And then I want my status menu options. So does this thing have like a black background on it? It doesn't. Oh, that's good. Okay. So let's see. I think I don't need this, do I? Because it's kind of obvious that it's paused. Wait, I should make sure that I understand what this margin is, though. So the top 20. So let's just make this have the same margin. Or maybe like 40 here. Because we don't need a gigantic paused thing. And then we can have like a main menu mode. Well, I should probably make sure that that works first, but oh well. I won't. I'll just do options menu. That'll go to here. And this should have now custom tags here. So we'll do like export export string var play name, export string, or let's do like export bool var show rescue equals true, and this equals resume. Or I guess I should just have like pause mode. Oh wait, no. This should be pause, or in pause menu. So that way, the main menu version cannot have that. And then set active if active. Foregrounds, main menu, resume dot text equals resume if in pause menu, else play. Foregrounds request rescue dot visible equals in pause menu. Okay. And now this actually kind of cheeses the game, because now Video game. No, what am I saying? Interesting. The menu didn't show up. And also I can't pause. Okay, so why does this hide? Oh, I see. So we should do hide, or like, let's do if in pause menu. Okay, so now it should work a little bit better. Play. Okay, so then we'll have it so the player doesn't, or isn't able to move. So let's do that. So this will be, Let's go to the player. Let's go to, so this is now, main menu. Well, I don't care that much. This is the one that has the unique thing. Oh, wait. No. So we need UI. We should probably just have a folder for these, like menus. So this is going to be main menu. Because this will have like function set. What is it called when the UI does this stuff? As method. I guess just function notification if what equals visibility changed and is visible in tree, set active, or like let's do like start function start global dot get player dot lock, and then like global dot get player dot camera dot, or like let's just get a new state in here. Or maybe like yeah, let's just do that. And then we'll have like function on resume global.getPlayer.unlock. And now we'll have the options menu have a signal. Emit signal resume. So that way I can have this. Well, exit it. When do we do that? Oh, okay. So we should have this and in pause menu. Well, I guess we don't need that. I think it's fine. Okay, so this control should have on resume. Then we do that. Let's see if this works. So the player should not be able to shoot or do anything, but they should be able to look around with the right analog stick just because I think that's fun. And then what I'll need is probably a drop shadow for the text to make sure that it's, like, good. And then also I'd like, something as well. Like, let's do, like, global.getPlayer.sit. I don't know. I'll have to also figure out if this works well with everything else. Okay, let's do... I actually need a background like this, so let's... I think I actually do need to change the type of these, or I need to reorganize this. So this goes here, this goes here, these go in here. So this will be aspect container, ratio container. So yeah, now that does that appropriately. And this still does that. So then full screen, full screen. That's perfect. Oh wait, now we need another control. I guess, what if we just put a VBox container? Put these in the VBox container. And then have this have margins of like, or padding? Let's just change the type of this to a controller. Or like, plain, whatever. Because this will do like center or top wide with some margins of like 20, 20, -20. And this will have full rectangle. Except for that much. Because isn't this... Okay, yeah. That seems good. And the music died again. There we go. Because I want just a slight darkening. So this will be a panel. No, color rectangle. And this will just ever so slightly darken all of this. To be like that. And then let's have it so that when you resume, what should it do? Why does it do UI.unpause here? When it could just do the signal to exit. Because let's go to the status menu. Like, exited? On options, like, I already have that there. So I could have just done, like, UI.signal exit. And then we'll have that there. Exited. And then, and in pause menu, exited. Well, I'm fine with that. If you press B at, well, yeah, I think that's fine. And so that means that now what I can do is I can have this main menu have a unique animation. So it's going to do anim. Let's do like new play, and this will just have this as a feed, and then there. Actually, I think it should do the whole thing. So that'll be dark like that, and then this whole thing has a visibility, so we'll just modulate that. And we don't need that anymore. And we can add a method to our main menu to resume. I guess let's have, so this options menu here. Let's do on exited. Like menu exited. Function resume. Global.getPlayer unlock, and then UI.unpause. Export node path var UI node equals path dot onReady var UI equals get node UI node. Okay, so this should have, okay, so that has the UI there. That's good. And then what we can do is we can insert resume right there, right when it ends. So now what it should do is when we press the good to go button, it'll be good to go. Play. Did it not? Oh, right. It didn't do anything because I need to do animation player play play. And then you can play. And then I'm also going to do you get free dot pause equals true, but global dot get player dot pause mode equals node dot pause mode process, and then we'll have this here as pause mode inherit. So this will work with that. Why is this color rectangle so invisible though? I think it should be like reasonable to see, because especially since this animation player starts here. Let's try this again. And then what I'll do is I'll also have the camera like I don't know what exactly. Why did it seems so strange. Hang on. What popped in there? I might have to have the time scale set differently or something like that instead of doing it this way. Like have the entire, well, I don't want the entire world playing in slow-mo. So if I play, I see. Something is going wrong with the... Oh, I know. It's because in the world, the skybox follows the player. So that needs to explicitly have its stuff working. Let's go to the sky. So this should process always, and this should also process. And then I should have, like, in the future, I'll have, like, a nice pose and a nice camera position. In fact, I could do that right now, can't I? Because I won't have the pose. Actually, I have an interesting idea. What if the player... Well, no, that'd be confusing. I'll just have that as it is. So there'll be kind of a jump for now. But okay, so now the player can... So she's sitting, so replicate the settings menu. Game is partially paused except for Jackie. Those are good. She's power walking, very powerful. Her hand is slightly messed up. That's okay. Some awkward middle interpolation. Okay, Oh yeah. The save... Well, I don't care that much. Save and quit should also be a thing. And let's put the rest of this stuff... So this is just going to be in features now. That's no longer first pass stuff, because we now have a main menu that I'm sure would work with a new game, theoretically. Why is this... Where did I put this? There we go. What is this? There's distinct actions in her dreams? Okay, so I can also do this for the medium. Let's do that. Dream. I guess we gotta do the from the world. Take your time, video game. Dream? If dream, player.enter dream. So, well, I guess what I can do is we can just have get free dot paused equals true. Player dot pause mode equals pause mode process. The dream dot pause mode equals node dot pause mode process. Pause mode inherit. Pause mode inherit. No pause. And now we also need the pause menu to do this. Or I guess I could just disable the player's UI in the dream. So it could be just like disable UI. And then like enable UI. And so these would be function enable UI, function disable UI, and like UI dot set process input false. Well, false, and then like UI dot hide. Oh wait. True. And then honestly, so for the fade, or for the color correct, so we have this gaming thing, which fades. We're going to put this back up here. Because then fade in. And let's go to the dialog viewer. Fade. Okay, and this just does that. In fact, we can just do like global get player fade out. And then how does this work? Okay. And I think what I'll do is, can I make this render on top of everything if I choose to? Because I'm trying to figure out how to make it so that this will like, I see what I can do. I can do, I could try this, where I have this on top of all of this. And then, what happens if we show behind parent? That doesn't work. Because I actually need the UI to have another control above it, because this is tiered now. I mean, I guess what I could just do is like get child or get children. So if I greater than, well, let's just do in range 0, or I guess for I in get child count, var c control equals get child I. Wait, no. This should actually be like mode dot size. Yeah, there we go. Basically what I want is, I want to be able to put this here without this counting as a mode. So now, if I show this behind the parent, there we go. So when the player is in dialogue, it should always show behind parent, but when they're in gaming mode, it should show in front of the parent. So set mode equals gaming. Fade dot show behind parent equals false. Otherwise, show behind parent equals true. So that should make my life easier. Oh wait, now we have to go back to this. Fade will be UI/fade. There we go. So now we have our right analog stick, and it'll do stuff, and then we can play. And it'll be less janky someday in the future. I do miss being able to rotate at any point, but oh well. Okay, now I should sleep. And I should make sure that the UI actually is disabled. Oh, I haven't talked to the medium yet. Item, capacitor. Video game, let me press the buttons, please. TP 112, no clip. Take your time, Godot. I guess that counts as take your time video game. So that is there. I'm pretty sure I've said epic. I don't know. I can't remember. I think it's going to be a while before we get a bingo, though. I'll have to get back into, like, gameplay stuff. Okay, I think I've subtly messed up the pausing logic, though, but okay. So now, the world should pause. Oh wait, but I won't be able to use my thing. Oh. The whole... So, things have not functioned. The way... Oh, wait, because the UI is disabled. Right, okay, so it seems like disabling the UI won't work very well. And that makes complete sense because, yeah, let's go to the player. Disable UI, enable UI. Because that also faded in, or that also disabled the fade in. So now, there we go. Oh, wait. So that should not work in the dreams as well. I just pressed the reset button. Let's make sure that that doesn't work. So can't reset in dreams, can't request rescue in dreams. Let's get bugs. Green. Disable resetting. Disable rescues. You're pausing. And unpausing doesn't break things. And let's just have a special mode where this does unpause. Set mode before pause. So if pause mode, so should pause. So we should pause if player. Where's the player actually? Do we have the player? Okay, we just use global.getPlayer. So if global.getPlayer dot pause mode equals pause mode process, or okay. So if the player is in this pause mode process, or we're going to the actual pause menu or debug console. Oh wait, now we actually need, hang on. Var entering menu equals so if entering menu so entering menu bool m is node.pause or m is debug console. If entering menu mouse mode equals mouse mode capture. So should pause, do not get tree pause, toggle mode pause. Okay. Oh wait, no, this should be if, oh wait, no, that's correct. Oh wait, this means I should also have m equals mode dot main menu or that. So let's see this in action. So now we have this, and we should have the mouse. Oh, right, we don't have the mouse because, well, why don't we have the mouse? We just have main menu like, input.mouse mode equals mouse mode visible. And I need to disable saving in the dream. Disable saving. Okay, because now we should have, we don't have. Where is input.mouse mode being set otherwise? Mode.paused. Let's do like mode.main menu. And then we don't need that in this here. And then do we set the mouse mode anywhere else in this UI code? Mouse mode captured. No, okay, so those are the 3 places. So let's check this now. Little janky. So I'll have to figure that out. So for the main menu, let's say doors should still instantly... Well, I guess the real issue is that the capacitors don't instantly open doors on startup. Because those doors should have been opened manually. But okay, now I should be able to go to sleep. And it should hopefully not horribly fuck up everything. Yeah, there we go. Disabling the UI was too much. Can I jump? Oh, wait, hang on. So that'll... Oh, wait. It's not processing. Why isn't it processing? Did I set this wrong? So the pause mode should always process. And these should inherit. And then this should be... And the camera rig has a process mode, pause mode, inherit. Oh, I guess because it inherits from the player. So we can say that's fine. Visible, show behind parent. Why doesn't jump work? And none of my pressed buttons work. And this doesn't work. Get screenshot. Like, take screenshot. Oh wait, toggled pause. This doesn't work anymore. So let's have like a fake pause. Partial pause. So this... So if should pause and story time dot q story time. So let's do like if entering menu. Elif entering menu, take screenshot. So yeah, now that at least works. And now the real question is, why does the visibility not get fixed? Because we should be in like... Oh, I see. Still more stuff. So if entering menu and not get tree.paused. Var was paused. Bool equals mode, like current mode. Oh. Because, yeah, we need to actually have a different thing here. Oh, wait, no. None of it. Okay. I'm getting confused by all this. We need something else now. Let's... No, I'm fiddling too much with all this stuff. Let's get it back to where it was. Should pause. Remove this. M equals main menu or blah or blah. We'll do that. So we'll just have all of this work as exactly as it did before. It's just now the player's gonna be able to move in the pause menu, which isn't good. Because what I'm gonna actually do is I'm gonna make it so that how do we fix this? I mean, I guess I could keep it. It'd be interesting. But I guess I just need to track if the player's in the special pause mode. And we should have that main menu not be so janky. Okay, now... Still doesn't work. Dang. Why doesn't it work? So, like, where... Oh, input manager. So when this thing function ready, pause mode equals pause mode process. See, that's hokey. This is hokey. We still don't have that working. The input manager still doesn't work either. So, like, why isn't pressed? Being pressed. Like, why isn't this being pressed? It's like none of these actions have been pressed before? So why isn't in... Oh, I see. It's because we have get treat up paused. So let's do like var read or should read equals not get tree dot paused. Or let's do like read equals UI dot mode equals UI. So this should be our main UI. Class name main UI. Main UI dot mode dot gaming. If not, should read. We'll set these all to 0. Why are we setting them to 0? Oh wait, I see. If should read. we do that. Where is the UI being set? UI and? Like UI equals global get player dot UI. And this might work. Just maybe. Okay. Let's go to input management.ui. Let's go to the player and let's just do like input management.ui equals UI. Well, I guess we could even go further. Just have it here of like input management.ui equals self. Oh, we already have this. So why isn't it working? Oh wait, no, it is. It's just that it didn't work at the startup. Okay, play. Hokey as hell when it starts up. But then, if I sleep, that should solve something. I don't even remember what I was solving. Because this stuff still doesn't work. But, aha, I can jump now. But the physics are slightly off. I think. No, I guess they're okay. It's just, I was just jumping weirdly. And also, where is the... Oh, I see. The world didn't update properly. I guess? Yeah. I think that's what it is. So we actually need the world itself to do, Yeah, I guess it's fine. I'll just have it set its pause mode stuff as well. I didn't need to click on it. It's gonna take like a fucking 5 years. Like the computer's chugging already. I can hear it. Hang on, let's save and quit here. Completely fuck up that side of the game. Jeez Louise, okay. So let's just do like set or like P mode. P mode. So pause mode equals mode. Player pause mode equals mode. Dream pause mode equals mode. Oh wait, shit. That means that every single thing in the entire game world will inherit this. No, I think... Okay, so I think that's not going to be good. We'll just have to do call group, like viz update. So we'll just have to get tree, distance activated. Enter dream. Yeah, so we'll just call distance activated on it. So player new position isn't... Oh yeah, let's do player dot global transform origin. Ugh. And I can see the video game or music has died again. There we go. The laptop sounds like a jet engine. Okay, so now the lamp actually shows. So that's a start. So why do my UI prompts not show? Because... Okay, so let's go to the dream. So the dream pause mode should be pause mode process. So the doors should be getting prompts. So what if we did like door here? Okay, so it does this. So that should be fine. Okay, so follow location. So this is the interact prompt. So why is this not processing? This is processing. Then why is it invisible? What? Oh, wait, because it's in the... Because I unpaused the game, and also it crashed. That's concerning. I just had a good idea. What if, instead of setting all this nonsense, I just pause the day-night cycle? I don't need to pause everything in the game. So let's do... Let's go to the world. So let's undo all of this stuff. So we'll just enter the dream. And then we'll do like a day... Hang on, we need to spend about 5 minutes opening up this. 10 minutes, 20 minutes. How long can it take to open up one scene that I opened up literally 5 seconds ago? Literally 0.25 out of seconds before this moment it was open. Okay. Day_night dot pause. Can we do this? So if I go to animation, can we pause? So stop or pause. Okay. So we can do stop false, and then we can do day-night play. And that'll do exactly what I want. In fact, we can also do... Hang on. Let's have these do that there. Oh, wait, hang on. This should be leave dream. Do that. Or I guess, like, wake up. And then this, I guess I'll keep that there. That'll mean if the player pauses and checks the time, it'll be, hokey, but oh well. What I really need is to just set a mode for the sleep, or the dream. But I'll do that when I actually need it. I'll just put in here with the bugs, though. Let's delete that. So, disable rescuing, disable rescues. Disable the time, or make the time say that. And I think I actually did disable saving, because I saved and quit in here. Okay, yeah, because her dialogue actually does disable saving. And then I should make sure that the time works still. Oh yeah, it does. We can see the rotation affecting the world. And until somebody, like, points out that it doesn't work, I'll just assume that it does. Okay, so I think... I don't think any of that was planned, really. Oh wait, did I say video game, not playing video game? Because we could get bingo, but this one's like the most like conscious that I have to do. I'd have to deliberately choose to put something on the bingo card, and I think I've tapped out. I've like mined that well. There, let's expand collapse all. The end game, something called Epic, introduce other writing about Jackie's life. The Surdy do not want the tower open. That'd be good. Yeah, because we have tower / destruction somewhere. Oh wait, I already have that here. Okay, so we have Riley. Mom. Completed. I think I'll just have this. Let's just say that. Somewhere to like turn off this. Let's just say in general. As far as I know, nobody has any idea what's inside. Okay. Because basically, I want the player to have the ability to, like, not cry if they don't want to debate the ethics of it, but I want it to be a little bit faster to actually get to the point of it. I'm starting label dream, that's okay. This one, kind of just in main story, really. I think the medium needs to be second pass stuff. Or the rest of the medium, because I have some more stuff that I'll be working on off stream. Yeah, like for this one, what else do we have for this functional deadline? The medium. Yeah, so this is also going to be out here. So I guess that's completed now. Okay, yeah, I guess that's kind of it for like first pass stuff that isn't spoilery. So I'll just say I'll do that tomorrow and Sunday. And then I'll be back Monday when I think I'll switch to Monday, Wednesday, Friday for the time being. Of like probably like 3 hours of streaming. That would make sense for this. But okay. I'll call that it for today. I'll be back Monday, and I'll update the schedule. See you later.